Good morning, children. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject English 2, Topic Composition. Representing teacher Ashwini Satpute. Children, we all like to play and enjoy with our friends, right? But do we get enough time to spend with our friends? No, we can play with our friends only for a limited time. If we are in the school, we play with our friend in the recess. But children, do you know when we get a lot of time to play and enjoy with our friends? Yes, right. When we go for a picnic. In picnic, we get a lot of time. We get whole day to spend, play and enjoy with our friends. When we go for a school picnic. So children, our today's topic for composition is a school picnic. Let's start. Topic composition number 10, school picnic, page number 59. First line of a composition is all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy is an old saying. Means it is an old saying that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Means only working and no playing makes us dull. The second line of a composition is this year the student of standard 1 went to Navjivan water park for a picnic. This year the student of standard 1 went to school picnic to a very beautiful water park, and the name of the water park was Navjivan water park. The next line of a composition is we went to the water park by bus. Children, we went to the park by bus, and while traveling also we enjoy a lot in the bus. The next line of a composition is we enjoy a lot in the various rides. The park had many slides. We enjoy a lot in the various slides. Next line of a composition is a teacher provided us with lunch and snacks. Lunch and snacks were provided to us by our teacher. In the evening, we were tired but happy. Next line of a composition is I wish that I could stay back and play a little more in the water. We were so happy and busy in playing. We forgot that we have to go home. So, our teacher reminded us that it was time to go home. So, the next line of a composition is our teacher reminded us that it was time to go home. Then we pack up our things, we boarded the bus and returned to school. So the next line of a composition is we boarded the bus and returned to school. So children, let's revise. Composition number 10, school picnic. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy is an old saying. This year, the students of Standard 1 went to Navjivan water park for a picnic. We went to the water park by bus. We enjoy a lot in the various rides. Our teacher provided us with lunch and snacks. In the evening, we were tired but happy. I wish that I could step back and play a little more in the water. Our teacher reminded us that it was time to go home. We boarded the bus and returned to school. Thank you, children. Practice at home.